Welcome back, ladies, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I have for you a wonderful fall haul from Walmart. Walmart's been killing it this season with quality pieces. I have dresses, tops, bottoms, boots, lots to cover, so let's dive in. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stacey. My channel, we are all about budget-friendly fashion, home decor, and more. And if you'd like to join our amazing community of budget-friendly, fashionable friends, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that thumbs up while you're there. All right, ladies, number one is this dress from the Free Assembly line. It is a utility mini dress. There are pockets galore in this dress. Now, it's available in sizes extra small through double XL. I am wearing this in a size small. Picked it up in this like forest green color. It's also available in a black. The dress is 100% cotton and priced at $36. If you are looking for a stylish, effortless look, check this dress out. It is comfortable. It has a good medium weight to it, so it is a little thick. Definitely keep you warm during those cooler times of the day, but long sleeve, little pleating detail along the cuff there, a button on the side. You have that V-neck going down all the way, well, a shirt dress, so you have the buttons going all the way down. And then, like I said, there are pockets in the front, then your two patch pockets, and it also comes with a self-tie belt. Number two are these 70s patch pocket jeans from the Free Assembly line. They are available in sizes 0 through 18. I am wearing these in a size 4. They are 98% cotton. They're priced at $29 and have a 30-inch inseam. Friends, these jeans are just so comfortable. Now, they are 98% cotton. There is a little bit of spandex in there. Definitely has good movement, and if you are looking to lengthen your legs, check out these jeans. They give you legs for miles. They are a mid-rise fit. I would stay true to your size because there is a little forgiveness with the spandex in these jeans. Just comfortable, stylish jeans. Are we seeing lots of 70s trends this season? What are your thoughts on that? Let me know in the comments below. So when I first saw these jeans on the rack, I was just like, I'm not sure. But once I put them on, oh my gosh, the way they fit and the way they feel, very comfortable. Now, I just paired it with this Pioneer Woman top I shared a couple videos ago. I will link it below for you guys. And I can't remember if I mentioned, I'll have all the links, my height and weight in the descriptions below. Guys, I have to admit, every time the camera comes on, my brain just goes boop. I forget everything. So I even have my notes on here, and sometimes I'll forget to even look at my notes. It's crazy, but yeah, there you go. I've come clean. I am just a nervous Nelly. But anyways, these are very comfortable pants. You got two, yeah, your little patch pockets in the front, little button zipper, and then a couple pockets in the back as well. Now, usually with the Free Assembly jeans, I notice they tend to run a little smaller. With this particular pair, they fit perfectly. I personally like to have my jeans a little bit more fitted. Now, I do have another pair of, I believe they're also Free Assembly jeans, so we're gonna see how those fit. I went with a size 4 as well. And I notice sometimes they can fit a little too snug, so we'll check those out in just a minute. Number 3 is this bestseller Corduroy Jacket from the Time and True line. This jacket is 100% cotton. It has a medium weight to it. It is a corduroy texture. It does have a shirt tail hem. I am wearing this in a size small. The sizes that are available are extra small through triple XL. This jacket is priced at $28. Like I mentioned, it has a medium weight to it. It is smooth on the inside. There's no texture to irritate you if you're overly sensitive. The corduroy texture is very soft as well. Then it has the nice tortoise shell button detail, two pockets on the front, and then full buttons all the way down. This is a great layering piece. You could wear this over leggings, have it fully buttoned up. Imagine like a white top underneath, rolled up at the sleeves, give you a nice stylish chic look. Number 4 is this scoop neck top from the Time and True line. It is a ribbed texture, long sleeve, more of a boxy cropped style. I am wearing this in a size small. It's available in sizes extra small through double XL. I Picked it up in this black color. There are 3 other colors available to you. It is a cotton polyester spandex blend and priced at $14.98. Sometimes a simple top is all you need. This would make a great layering piece. You could have your shacket over top. Does anybody remember the denim shacket I shared a few videos ago? I will link that below. This would pair perfectly with that denim shacket, which I have at home. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos in the cabin. Most likely this will be the last video in this cabin, as we will slowly be making our way back home very soon. So I will have some extra footage at the end. Make sure to stay until the end. I did some recordings. Everything's just kind of with the iPhone, but I did some recordings of the streams and the sounds of the water. Oh, so beautiful. And recently we just came across this entire field of sunflowers. It was absolutely gorgeous. I could not believe how beautiful it was. But anyways, back to this top. Now, like I said, it does have more of a boxy fit. For me personally, I love the simplicity of this top. It has a nice feel to it. However, because it has that boxy cut, it's kind of just cutting me right in half. So for my particular shape, which is more of that rectangular athletic shape, not really ideal. I could tuck it in a little bit, but as you can see, there's not much room to tuck with. But like I said, if you're looking for a simple top, check this one out. Number 5 is this bestseller dress from the Free Assembly line. It is a flounce style mini ruffle dress. Has ruffle detail around the neckline, also around the arms. It does have a tiered detail around the hemline. It is available in sizes extra small through XXL. I am wearing this in a size small. It has more of a relaxed fit, so I would stay true to your size. This dress is 100% in cotton, has a keyhole opening in the back, and priced at $28. There is that ruffle detail along the neckline, also along the sleeves, a little bit of that puffed, but not too much of that puff detail. Now this would go great with a nice crossbody to kind of bring the dress in a little bit snug, but if you're looking for a relaxed fit dress, check this one out. Like I said, it is more like a light medium type weight, not too thick, but then not too thin either. Number 6 is this puff sleeve flounce dress. It is a best seller. I'm wearing it in this blue color. It's also available in a few other colors, and I shared this dress in a previous video in more like a turquoise green color and had some threading all throughout the dress. The dress is priced at $22. It's available in sizes extra small through XXL. I am wearing this in an extra small because it does have a relaxed fit. There are no pockets in this dress. It has more of a light gauzy type texture material, and it's 100% cotton. Now I picked up the time and true denim jacket that so many of you guys talked about for so long. Let me get my notes ready. And if you've watched my previous videos, I always share a dark denim jacket because once you've had a denim jacket, it's kind of like, well, I don't really need another one. I did need a lighter one. And so when I saw this on the rack, and I didn't pack a lot of clothes with me on this trip, you know, I had between packing computers and equipment and stuff for some work we got coming up, I figured I packed very lightly clothes-wise. Anyways, I know a lot of you guys have recommended this jacket from the Time and True line. It is a bestseller. I can definitely see why. It is available in sizes extra small through XXL, priced at $24.98. Now it is a cotton, polyester, rayon, spandex blend. The one thing I do want to point out about this jacket that I prefer over my other jacket that I have at home that's in a dark wash, so I kind of went with more of this, I mean, I guess it's like a medium dark wash, but not too dark. The stretch and the space in the arms, oh my gosh. If you haven't replaced your denim jacket in years, or if you're looking to do so, check this one out. I just love how you're able to kind of raise your arms up, move around, has a good amount of movement to it. You have, you know, your traditional pockets, and then, your traditional pockets over here, then your little patch pockets, buttons going all the way down. And what size? I think I picked this up. I did pick this up in a size small, so I would stay true to your size. But I just love how it has that flexibility to it versus some denim jackets, and I'm referring to like the one I have at home, is very stiff, and I've had that for, oh my gosh, close to 10 years. Number 8 is this sleeveless midi length dress from the Free Assembly line. It's available in sizes extra small through double XL. I am wearing this in a size small. It's in this black color. There's a stripe color also available to you. There are stripes going around, or one stripe going around the collar, also along the sleeves. This is a short sleeve. Now, if you're looking for a long sleeve dress, I will link one below because I noticed the Free Assembly also had a long sleeve version. I don't think it had the stripes, but they did have a nice long sleeve version available too. Midi length. This is a viscose polyester blend. It's 44 inches long from the high point of the shoulder. Creates such a modern classic look to it, and it is priced at $30. This would go great with a black blazer over top to kind of keep the arms covered. If you're working in the office, it's perfect workwear, perfect with a pair of those high tall boots I shared. Gosh, it might have been one of my first fall hauls, and they're at home as usual, but they're the nice Madden NYC tall boot. That would give you such a chic look. I believe I shared that with a Sofia Vergara dress. This dress has a nice fit to it. It's not too clingy to any lumps and bumps. Now, I don't have any shapewear underneath, but if you did, it would give you even a better, smoother look. Good, I would say it's like a medium length or medium weight dress. Has a good amount of weight to it, and it does have that ribbed texture going all the way, all throughout the dress. Good amount of stretch too, very roomy and very comfortable. 9 is this bestseller sweater from the Free Assembly line. This is in this Dijon color. It's also available in a striped navy color. The sizes available are extra small through double XL. I am wearing this in a size small. Now, this shirt is a blend of viscose, polyester, and polyamide. It has a good medium weight to it, not too thick, but a little bit of thickness there. Hope that makes sense. It has ribbed texture along the hemline. It also has the ribbed texture along the neckline and along the cuffs. It has a soft feel to it. Let me bring in that texture so you can see all that detail all throughout. Very nice. Like I said, a medium kind of weight thickness to it, but a great layering piece as well. Very comfortable. Has a good amount of length to it. This would go great with like a pencil skirt, or you could actually roll this up a little bit, you know, maybe kind of give it a tuck in, but then, I don't know, personally, you would just have a little bit too much material left over. The neck is it's not too snug. It is very lightweight in regards to it doesn't cling to the neck. So if you're sensitive on wearing like high neck sweaters, this does have some room and movement to it. Now, I paired it with these jeans, number 10, which are also from the Free Assembly line, and that are these straight leg jeans. These actually remind me of, which I think are 90s straight leg jeans and more of a dark wash from last season. I usually wear it throughout. Love those jeans. These are 99% cotton. Oh my gosh, I didn't write the sizes down, so I'll include the sizes below, but I am wearing these in a size 4, and they have a 28-inch inseam. Comfortable pair of jeans. I would stay true to your size. Now, the first pair of Free Assembly jeans I shared, the ones with the patch pocket, those had a little bit more forgiveness with them, a little bit more stretch to them. Here, they just fit. So basically, if I eat too much this evening, I don't know if they'll fit too, they'll be a little tight is what I'm getting at. But just a nice lightweight pair of, they are kind of lightweight pair of denim jeans. I feel a little distressing here. You also have a little bit of distressing over here on the side. Oh, and also on this pocket as well. And then, like I said, I just picked it up in this light wash color. Number 11 is this long sleeve top from the Time and True line. It is also a bestseller. It's a long sleeve boat neck style. I am wearing this in a size small. It's available in sizes extra small through triple XL. I picked it up in this gray color. It's also available in a stripe and a pink color. Now, this is a blend of rayon, polyester, and spandex, and priced at $14.98. Good amount of length to it. Another great layering piece because this is a lightweight feel. Let me bring this in close so if you can see that texture all throughout. Very lightweight, thin sweater. You could definitely wear this with a denim jacket over top or like the shacket over top. But number 12 is this flutter sleeve top from the Time and True line. It is 100% cotton. It's available in sizes extra small through triple XL. I am wearing this in a size small. The top is priced at $16.98. Very lightweight top, has a relaxed fit. I would stay true to your size. I am wearing this in a size small. It has the flutter sleeve, V-neck detail, and then the little tie in the front. You can either tie it or leave it open. This has more of that striped texture detail all throughout, and it does have a little bit of a texture to it, the embroidery right there, but very relaxed fit. Now, I also have a couple pairs of boots to share with you guys, and first would be these number 13, yeah, because we just did number 12, so number 13 are these boots from the Sam and Libby line. These are a Western style boot. They do have a low stacked heel, just under 3 inches. Very soft texture on the cut or on the boot, just more like a suede type texture in that Western style. Zipper right over here on the side. I would stay true to your size. As far as the cushion, a little bit of cushion on the heel of the footbed, but not too much. The next pair of boots are from the Time and True line, and these are more of like a slouched type pull-up boot, so this doesn't have the zipper side or anything. These boots are in this light bone color, nice soft texture to it, a little bit more of a matte type texture versus that suede texture. And then of course your stacked heel, which I would say is pretty much the same. Yeah, let's hold these up. So they gave me the measurements on the Sam and Libby was 2.75 as far as the height, and the stacked heel, this one is pretty much maybe about a ½ an inch lower, but comfortable pair of heels. Now these are, the Time and Trues are actually best sellers. They are priced at $24.98. Now as far as a little bit more cushion, yeah, this has cushion throughout the entire footbed. Very comfortable. I had planned to wear these throughout, but as you can see, they are just a little too, let me slip them on real quick for you guys, but as you can see, they're just a little too, they kind of don't go with these jeans, but it gives you a good idea. I like the color of them. Now they're saying that they are an almond shaped toe, but these are more of a pointy type toe. But yeah, you can feel, I can feel the difference with the cushion versus I've been wearing those throughout the video, and there is a little bit of cushion on the foot or on the heel, but not throughout the entire footbed like the Time and True ones. But guys, if you are looking for a great comfortable pair of Western boots, you really can't beat these for the price. $35. These are priced at $24.98. If you ever go into like a Western store or a cowboy boot store, boots are hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Now, granted, they are usually like a full 100% leather. And back in my early 20s, I did splurge and had a pair of, gosh, back in the day, they cost me like $300, but they were black leather boots, embroidery all throughout, and then of course had the little metal toe. But I used to do a lot of country line dancing, so they have the nice smooth finish, so you can be grapevining along the dance floor. But anyways, if you're just looking for a stylish pair of boots, you can definitely wear these at the country line dancing too. You're just going for the style. You may not slide as easily along the dance floor, but you'll still look cute and stylish and fit the part though. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.